Hi, this is my assignment for week 7, my enhancement 5. So based on the objective 6, I'll show you the validation of my HTML, CSS, and the responsiveness of the add vehicle and add classification view. So for my add classification, that for the wave evaluation tool, there's no errors and contrast error. For the CSS, there's no error, and for the HTML, no error. So same with my add vehicle. For the CSS, for the HTML, for the wave evaluation, errors, there's no errors and contrast errors. And for the responsiveness, iPad, and for the desktop. So the next is show the function in the function ph file, show how it's creating the navigation. So basically, on the main model, we create the function get classifications to select the classification ID and classification name from the car classification, which is on our database here in PHP Motors. So this one. So that's why we create this the variable name classifications to call the get classification function. So on the nav list, we build a function build nav list in our functions.php. So it's awesome to know this one too, because of having a organized code. And yeah, so how it works, basically we create this function and code to our index vehicle controller index.php. So we name it a nav list variable. So here's the function name, this one. So yep. The next one is show all the views created so far and that the navigation works using the navigation construction. Show that the server-side validation works for the new classification and new vehicle form using no validate bookmarklet. So to demonstrate, we can test the when I click this add vehicle, it's obviously working, the no validate bookmarklet. And for testing the server side, this one. Also to test the sticky function of the site. Example, make Ferrari. We can type whatever we want, something like that. It's a tick. It's also 6. So when we fulfill all um, the input form, so when I press this add vehicle, so the Ferrari was added successfully. To test it, let's refresh the database. Then you can see it registered. And for our add classification, to test the server side validation, this one, and to test the client or the no validate bookmarklet. Right. So this one. So I think that will be all. Thank you.